How to set up a forwarder for an entire domain in cPanel. This demo assumes you've already logged into cPanel and are starting on the home screen. Now let's learn how to set up a domain forwarder in cPanel. Click the Forwarders icon. Click the Add Domain Forwarder button. If you have more than one domain in your account, choose the one for which you want to forward all emails. Then enter the domain where you want the emails forwarded to. Click the Add Domain Forwarder button. That's it! The domain forwarder has been set up. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to set up a forwarder for an entire domain in cPanel.